Hello, y'all. It is so exciting to be filming because I haven't filmed since before I went to res. So yeah, this is like weird. But tomorrow I'm traveling to look at a college and I'm staying overnight, and like traveling is stressful for everyone, like no matter what. And like having an eating disorder just like really like adds a layer to it. So like I just wanted to document it because like I know I can get through it, all that shit. So yeah.